In this video, I'll show you how to fix it when Wise doesn't send you the text code. First, check the basics on your phone. Make sure you have signal or data, airplane mode is off, and you can receive normal SMS from other numbers. If needed, restart your phone and try again after a minute. Next, check the number Wise is using. On the login or verification screen, confirm the country code and the last digits of your phone number are correct. If you recently changed numbers, update it in Wise first. You may need email or app-based verification instead. Now try resending the code, but don't spam it. Tap Resend Code once, then wait up to a couple of minutes. Some networks delay messages, especially if you're roaming or using dual SIM. If it still doesn't arrive, or switch to a different method if Wise offers it, for example, email code or an authenticator app. As a last step, go to help/support in the Wise app or website and contact Wise support, telling them you're not receiving SMS codes on that number. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.